dozen towns ago. Reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why it was, or what you're running to her for. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking in the rain, bumming for a ride on a slow-made Kentucky back road. I loved you much too long, my love's so strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, another hitch, another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, the cold Kentucky rain. Soldier photograph, some old gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside the general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Finally got a ride, the preacher man who asked, we're bound on such a cold dark afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, as he listened I explained, he left me with a prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, another hitch, another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes, searching for you, the cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain. Cold Kentucky rain, cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Thank you very much.